more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still.
Good morning! Nobody, these subscribers who watch this night. Anyway guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. If you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what to say.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know what else to say. Please subscribe to our channel. So today we have a vlog.
This is the first hike of the year.
Yeah. It's been a while since we had a hike on this channel. So new year, new hikes. So today we are going to
Blue Basin.
Right. I have never been.
Me either. But this one is a short hike. I believe like 20 minutes. 20 to half an hour, if so much.
Yeah, it seems short, so we'll tell you what the details when we get there because, you know, this is our first time. I am so excited. Like, today looking sunny, nice, we pumped, we ready. So let's enjoy this day.
Alright, so currently we are in Movie Tongue right now. So we are hiking with a group. We're trying out this group for the first time. And we have to meet in Movie Tongue by Center, excellent stores. Yeah. Anyways, so we're waiting for everybody to come and then we will leave with everybody else. So when we reach the location, we will start back vlogging again. So
let's go!
My mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take.
Alright, so guys, we are at the meeting spot and I love it here. I feel like if I want to just have a picnic, oh, here goes Shelly. I want to have like a picnic here. Kosey, here like real nice to have a picnic, huh?
I want bright color. Mine's not so fun. What's
going on here? I think I had to pull it like this. I hope this one train up my fits. It's matching a lot, but I'm not matching anyway. This life jacket kind of train off my fits, but whatever.
My mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need my now. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, and movie stars, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me?
Alright guys, so just checking in. We are here at the waterfall and the waterfall is gorgeous. Looks really good. The pool is, well, from what I'm seeing, it isn't that deep. Close to the waterfall seem a little bit deep, but the hike itself, I would say, is definitely short. It took less than 20 minutes to get here. Very easy, very easy. Yeah, I wish I could take a bath, but unfortunately I can't today. I really want to go in the water. I really want to jump in this water, but I can't. Kosey not bathing either because she lame. Whack.
Listen, this is probably the easiest hike I've ever been to.
So
to me, it feels like 5 minutes.
And the thing is, they told us 20 minutes. I said less than 20 minutes, but it might be even less than 10 minutes.
It feels to me like 5 minutes, like it was nothing.
Yeah.
But a nice view.
Yeah, it's really nice up
It's a
here.
really nice view.
We had to come back up here. What was a little long though? Was the drive to come up here?
Yeah.
Maybe about half an hour or no?
Nah, not so long.
Okay, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
20 minutes. So I want to come back up here. It's real easy. It's like
It's
a road to come in, a road to go
At
out.
this point, it's too easy.
Come on, man.
It's too easy.
It's too easy.
Beginner friendly. For real. Like, it's not hard at all.
Wait, okay, all right. The only thing that wasn't hard for me because I'm a pro at this.
Right.
It's just the incline to come up, the road to come up,
Yeah.
but like the natural part of the hike is nothing, nothing at all.
So yeah, feel free to come up.
Definitely recommend coming to this hike. But then,
Difficulty out of 10, I would say for me, it's a 1. It's a 1.
it's a -0.
For real.
Alright, so Kosey looking like if she changed her mind.
Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane, my mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need mine now. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so basically the hike is basically over. Kosey took her bath, she just drying off now. Just finished eat. So I think we're gonna head out in a couple of minutes. Charlie here again, looking all cute. So yeah, I think we're gonna head out in a couple of minutes. But it was really nice, really enjoy it. Again, a very easy hike. I wanna come back here again where I could bathe. And it have like a trail where you can kind of go up to the waterfall and people else like jump down from there and saying, I wanna go, but the group that we came with, they're not going up there today. That's something that you had to keep in mind when you go with a group. Because of safety reasons, you can't really like venture out by yourself and all these things. So I would really like to come up here when we could go by ourselves, where we could like, the rest will be on me and not on anybody else. So guys, thanks again for watching our short hike today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to come here. Subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah.